In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find global cuisine on Walmart. We'll walk through the exact path on Walmart's website so you can quickly discover international ingredients, snacks, and beverages all in one convenient place. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Walmart website. Once the homepage loads, take a second to confirm your location at the top of the page. Setting your preferred store or delivery area helps Walmart show items that are actually in stock for you, which saves time later. Next, look for the main navigation at the top and select Departments. This opens a full menu of shopping categories. From here, choose Grocery. That will take you to the broader grocery section where everything is grouped to make browsing easier. On the grocery page, look to the right side of the category listings. You'll see a section dedicated to specialty areas. Find and click Global Cuisine. If you're on a phone or tablet, you may need to open the menu first and scroll a bit. On mobile, this section can appear within specialty or international options depending on your screen size. After you click Global Cuisine, you'll land on a curated page that brings together international foods. Here you can see all the major groupings in one place. Use the filters to narrow down by delivery or pickup, price, brand, dietary needs, or availability. Sorting by bestsellers or newest can also help you quickly find popular items or fresh arrivals. Within Global Cuisine, you'll see dedicated collections for different regions. In the Asian food section, look for pantry staples like noodles, rice, sauces, seaweed snacks, and condiments that are perfect for stir-fries and soups. Mediterranean food usually highlights olives, olive oils, couscous, hummus ingredients, and savory spices that work well for meze-style meals. Latin food features items like tortillas, beans, rice mixes, salsas, and seasonings that make tacos, rice bowls, and stews easier to pull together. The Indian food area commonly showcases spice blends, curry sauces, lentils, basmati rice, and ready-to-heat meals that are great for weeknight cooking. You may also see a Mexican beer category. Availability can vary by location and age restrictions apply, so be sure your store offers it and that you meet local requirements. As you browse, open items you're interested in to check reviews, serving tips, and nutrition details. When you're ready, add products to your cart and choose pickup or delivery based on what's available for your area. That's it. From Walmart's homepage, go to Departments, select Grocery, and then Global Cuisine to explore international foods quickly and confidently. Happy cooking!